Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2018, on a 68 plate Nissan Qashqai Visia. This is the 1.5 turbo diesel with a 6-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in storm white metallic, which is a lovely colour, and it's covered just 50,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around this excellent value Qashqai Diesel. December 2018 registered, 50,000 miles from just 2 owners. Does come supplied with some service history, recent service history. We've got a service record for 2023 at the main dealer, and it also had a documented Cambelt and Waterpump replacement at the start of 2024. 16-inch wheels with those Nissan wheel trims, no alloys to curb to pieces. Looks really well in this storm white. Very sensible running costs. Obviously you've got excellent fuel consumption, over 60 miles to the gallon on a combined run with that 6-speed manual gearbox. Goes really nicely with 100 odd brake horsepower. Ever so popular on the used market, aren't they? The Qashqai's got a nice high seating position, which does allow for easier access, good visibility. You know, got nice big windows. Just excellent family cars. As we have a look inside, nice and clean and tidy throughout. Centre armrest there, cloth interior. Remote central locking, it does come supplied with 2 remote keys. 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable door mirrors. A start-stop facility which you can switch off. Up onto the steering wheel we've got controls for your cruise control and speed limiter. That's your mileage, 50,700. You've got your trip computer just there. 6-speed manual. Electronic handbrake, has got auto hold. That's for the parking sensors on the rear, which have been wired in correctly. So you've got parking sensors at the back, all your handbooks in the glove box. And then up onto the infotainment, very straightforward setup. You've got air conditioning, radio CD, you've got auxiliary input, and you've got your Bluetooth on there as well. Really straightforward. Into the rear, electric windows in the back, 3 headrests for 3 proper seat belts. You've got the ISOFIX for the child seats as well. So a very comfortable 5-seater, good amount of headroom in there. Good tyres all round. And then, like I say, you've got those parking sensors across the rear bumper, which match the black plastic. And then into the boot space. Split folding rear seats, parcel shelf at the top, and then a really good size on the load area. Plenty of room in there. And underneath you've got your inflation kit and all your bits and bobs. So there we have it. November 2018. Qashqai Visia Diesel, 6-speed manual gearbox, 50,000 miles from 2 owners. Service history, which is recent, including a Cambelt water pump change this year. Finance is available from less than £160 a month, based on a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointments only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Nice example. Nice low mileage, very good value for money, and very sensible running costs. This won't be here long. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.